I've been using ConvertKit, or Kit as it's called now, for the past few weeks, and I wanted to see if it really lives up to all the hype for creators like me. I've tried a few newsletter tools before, but Kit caught my eye because it's supposed to be built specifically for creators, letting you send newsletters, run automations, and even sell digital products, all in one platform. So, a quick overview. Kit is basically a newsletter and email marketing tool for creators, bloggers, and freelancers. You can run email campaigns, build landing pages, automate sequences, and monetize your content through paid newsletters or digital products. In theory, it's like a one-stop shop for growing and monetizing your audience. When I first jumped in, I started with a simple newsletter campaign. Setting up a landing page took me maybe 10 minutes. It's not super flexible in terms of design, but it gets the job done. I also tested the automation sequences, and honestly, they're really powerful once you get the hang of them. I set up a welcome email sequence for new subscribers and even added a few tags to segment my audience. Meanwhile, I tried the commerce feature and linked a digital guide for sale. It was surprisingly straightforward, and the tip jar feature was a fun little bonus. Now, the pros: I really loved how easy it was to manage subscribers with tags and segments, and the creator network is cool for connecting with other creators. Plus, even the free plan lets you sell paid subscriptions, which is rare. On the flip side, I wish the landing page designs were more flexible, and some features like conditional content are a bit clunky and code-heavy if you want to customize them. Also, it can get pricey as your list grows. Overall, I think Kit is perfect for solo creators or small teams who want an all-in-one platform for newsletters and monetization. If you're mainly focused on growing a newsletter and making a bit of money from digital products, it's a solid choice. Personally, I'm keeping it in my toolkit because it really simplifies sending content and exploring monetization. Just make sure you're ready for the learning curve and potential cost if your audience grows big.